The bug that took over our garden was aphids, right?
Yeah, something like that.
Right? Okay. Hey guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel. But if you are new here, hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be sharing with you guys an update on my vegetable garden. I planted it exactly 50 days ago, so today it has been 50 days. It's doing really well, although we did have a pest issue, so I will explain that to you guys exactly what happened. I'm standing outside of my balcony, so let's go out there and show you guys what it's looking like. All right, so here it is. Obviously everything is pretty big. Let me start with the good news. So over here I have 2 broccoli plants, and this one's already producing a little tiny broccoli, but this one's really big. Like, that's a big broccoli head, so we're pretty excited about this. I'm not sure exactly when we're supposed to clip it, but it's so funny. It smells like broccoli, like even standing here, so I think that's pretty cool. The broccoli popped up, I would say 2 weeks ago. So no, maybe 1 week ago. So maybe 3 weeks after planting it, it really started to form, and then it's just been getting bigger and bigger ever since. So yeah, super excited about the broccoli. Moving over next to that, we had our red bell pepper plants and banana pepper plants and cucumber plants. Okay, so it's kind of like all a mess because this is the cucumber plant and it's just kind of taken over. Like, I don't know if you can tell, like it's just it grew like laying on the floor. So all this is cucumber, but it was only planted right here. But let's start over here. This one, oh, this is the cucumber too. Okay, so look, the cucumber even made its way up here. This plant on the actual trowel is this. And the cucumber's like completely wrapped itself around there. But so yeah, it's definitely a failure. So this was a red bell pepper and it got aphids, and they're like these bugs that were coming in the thousands, and there was clusters of them. And as you could see, there's ladybugs now because they feed on aphids. So problem is gone thanks to the ladybugs, but it was a pretty bad issue, so we did have to like chop it. I chopped this plant right here and there is new growth, so I'm hoping it'll come back, but I'm not really that hopeful, I guess. There was another bell pepper plant back there, but it's pretty much been taken over by the cucumber. But the cool thing about the cucumber is we're actually starting to get cucumbers. So there's 2 right there. They come out of the flowers, and hopefully there's going to be a lot more because as you could tell, there's a ton of flowers on this plant, just a ton. So I think we're going to have a lot of cucumbers. Now, I don't think they're going to be big just because this isn't a lot of space for them to grow in, but I think that's fine. What's wrong with some baby cucumbers? Oh, look, there's another one back there. So yeah, it's doing pretty well. Over here, we have our little ladybug friend, who is so beneficial to this garden. So I had a ton of, I think this was the banana peppers. No, this was the poblano peppers. And they come from the flower, and there was a ton of them, but they were completely attacked by the aphids. I cut a lot of the plants off, cut right there. Like, I was just chopping because it really ate everything. Oh look, there's a little, I don't know if you guys could see that, but that's probably gonna be a nice pepper. So they start out pretty small, and I had a bunch of small ones, but they're all gone now due to, oh look, I'll show you guys, actually, the aphids are still here. You guys see those little dots on the leaf? Yeah, so that's the issue right there. They come in these clusters, and there's literally so many of them. I'm sure once this ladybug is done feeding here, it'll move over to there. She's pretty much cleared up this whole plant. She's been here for days. So this plant has no more aphids thanks to her, and then hopefully she'll go over here and get this one. But such a bummer because I don't even know why they come, you know, like it's so annoying. But anyways, we're just gonna have a million cucumbers because look, it's even growing there. But yeah, so this is the little raised bed that we got, but I also want to show you guys our tomato plants. So we have 1 big tomato plant there and 2 little ones. The little ones are actually doing kind of better. As you can see, we have tomatoes. I think that these will be ready in a couple weeks. This plant has quite a few tomatoes. There's another one in there. This was the patio tomato, and then I think this was a tomatillo. I think it's the green tomato. We don't have any yet that we saw. We're probably gonna fertilize it soon. And And then this one is so big, but with no tomatoes. I'm sure it'll get some soon. I also got this watermelon plant, and I bought this, I want to say like 2 or 3 weeks after we got everything else. So this has only been here for like a week or two. It was only this much, and it's grown all this. So I honestly don't know how they come out or anything, but it's looking good. So I'll probably get a bigger pot for this week and see what happens. All right, so that's the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'm actually so glad that when I went out there was aphids still on the plant, just so you guys can kind of see like what we've been dealing with and what I'm talking about. Kind of a bummer that it happened, because I think we would have had a lot more vegetables if that didn't happen. Also, I think we probably put too many plants into the raised bed, but I don't think you can put too many. Our vegetables just won't grow as large as they can, like their potential. So that's fine with us. I mean, we're small people. We don't need giant vegetables. You know, we don't mind. Yeah, that's pretty much going to be the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I post new videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So you definitely don't want to miss out on that. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.